So today's Vlogmas video is a little special. It wasn't filmed in December, which is the first time I've ever really broken that rule. And I promise you, that is a campaign promise. The video I'm posting today is actually to address why my hair is buzzed. So I cut together this video months ago and totally forgot to post it. And honestly, it just seemed like a waste of my precious time, my precious hard work. Don't take the hard work part too seriously because it's not that good. My hard work. So I decided I was just gonna post it during Vlogmas because Vlogmas is the best time of the year anyways. So I'll keep it short. I hope you enjoy. A lot has changed since I made this video. And maybe I'll post some pictures, just kind of show you the journey I've been on. All right, peace. It's a big day today. Today, Brett's going to dye my hair pink and green, watermelon style, which is terrible. We both think it is, but I'm doing it for work because kids earned it. So today, Brett's gonna bleach my hair. We're gonna get it pink and green, and it's gonna be great. Enjoy. Brett's a little sad that my brown hair that I've been really working on growing.
Well, I don't think I'm gonna go all the way up to your roots. I think I've made an executive decision. I don't know.
We're gonna figure it out.
I'm sectioning.
Ooh, sectioning? What's that mean?
Well, for bleaching, you want to section hair into like 4 parts.
Uh-huh.
Just so you can like, you know, evenly do it and stuff.
Oh, I look kind of cool from the side.
We don't have to get a perfect split right now, and we also probably won't because your widow's peak is gonna be a really hard.
Whoa, gentle.
What?
You're attacking my widow's peak.
What
All right.
should be attacking is your dandruff.
It's summertime. I told you that in confidence that it gets worse in summertime.
Yeah, I know.
I think I already said it, but it's going to be pink and green, watermelon style. That's what the kids picked. Ugly. I think I definitely said it was gonna ugly.
Yeah, I wish they would have just picked one color.
A solid color would have been nice. I think this is a pretty good look though, just for work in general. Ooh. But yeah, the pink and green's rough. We're doing it for the kids. Brett and I are real role models. Now my least favorite part, the bleach. Anything will be better than the beard.
Right.
That was
Probably
torturous.
should have plugged your nose.
Yeah, probably should have.
I'm not being professional. I'm taking way bigger sections than you're supposed to.
Because you don't care about my hair.
No, I just know we're gonna have to bleach it again.
Okay, okay.
So I'm not looking for like perfection the first round.
Okay, fair enough. And luckily, I ain't gonna know the difference, so.
Yeah, right. And the kids won't either.
Ooh, I like this phase, because it's like kind of like you're playing with my hair.
Yeah, it's not awful.
Which feels nice.
Yeah.
And like these things you put in my hair haven't yet pulled any of my hair out, so I'm like not angry yet.
Yeah, right.
Which is always something I'm happy about. Let's go say hi to Franny real quick. Franny burnt off or ripped off a piece of her paw pad. So she's been walking around with a booty. She doesn't have it on right now because she takes it off. She's showing off her flexibility right now. Franny, say hi. There's Esther. She's great, as always. Alright, at the beginning I said I'd let you guys kind of have a montage of my journey through my hair. So here, let's see what we got. Oh, there we are in Beaver, Pennsylvania for our family reunion. Van Gogh Museum. Beautiful. Ooh, the Pittsburgh Pirates game. Oop, having a meltdown. Ooh, I'm celebrating my graduation. Oh, eating a cake with my face on it for graduation. Wait, but then something special is gonna happen. Is that? Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Oh my god, I'm loaded. Had to pay for it. Wow. So far, so good, hair people.
Oh,
I'm talking about hair stuff.
so
That
far,
guy,
so good.
that judge, legend. Oh, how cute. How cute.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, look at us eat Pete Terry's. Cuties. Aw, I got my leg kicking up. She's got me blushing. Aw, cake stuff. Beautiful. But then something terrible happened. I'm so happy. Look what happens. Oh god. Oh god. It doesn't get better. Oh no. Ugh. Oof. Eef. Off. Tiff. Streets. Oofy. Loofy. Doofy. Oomy. Looby. And there you have it. Ooh, I'm looking my cutest right now though. Until the next step. There she is. Oh. little up angle. Oh, I can see Esther in the back of this shot. She looks exhausted. POV shot.
Just like a very awkward part of your head.
Awkward in a cute way?
No. It's just because it's your widow's peak.
Which you've already attacked today, so. And that is a good POV shot of you working.
Yeah, they'll see how like terrible my technique is. They're like, oh. They seem to be lifting pretty well. I pretty much ignored the bottom bits. Your like bottom curlicues, I'm leaving them.
Okay. They can always be shaved off if they need to be.
Yeah.
Quick question, Brett, because I don't understand. So in each one of these tinfoil sandwiches you've made, is hair that's been bleached, and you're trying to lift means lose the color of brown?
No, lift means making your hair lighter. We're lifting it from a dark color to a light color.
Which makes it easier to dye it a different color.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
So I also like didn't fully like saturate the sideburns and stuff, but again, like I don't want to do that.
Oh, like.
Yeah, just how like we're not really gonna do the roots, hopefully.
Ooh.
And
Ooh.
we'll wash your hair, and then after that, we'll head to Sally's.
Yeah, this process seems much more fun right now than last time. We will be back to see how it's lifted, and then eventually need to go get color from Sally Beauty, the sponsor of this video. Brett's taking the stuff off to see how well it lifted. She just said she missed some parts pretty badly. Oh my God, Brett, you did it. Ruined my brown hair. Are you sad?
Yeah, it looks awful.
It does. It looks awful. It looks truly terrible.
All right, let's wash it. Come on. Close your eyes.
Okay, closed. They're
Be
closed.
safe.
There's the smell.
Yeah.
Wow, that's just so nice. It's like a little bonding experience for you and me, you know?
Yeah, because we need.
Because I just don't know if I know you well enough.
Yeah.
We spend 24/7 together. I just don't know if that's enough.
No,
You know?
I don't think it's enough.
That is pretty wild though. 24/7 for like
A lot.
4 years.
Yeah.
For 4 years, practically 24/7.
Yeah. I'm honestly shocked. I didn't think I'd last this long.
What's that supposed to mean?
Because I usually like to be by myself all the time, and you're clingy.
I am, but we have. I mean,
But I'm clingy too. In my
you're clingy in a different way than me. Are you putting essential oils?
No. Getting the bleach off.
Oh.
There it is.
I'm actually gonna go hit the waves.
The amount of like brown streaks.
It's quite funny, honestly.
It really is.
The stripes are funny as hell. They're so funny.
Some of your roots got dyed more than like others. Like right here. It's like all the way to your root.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Hee hee. Jake's hair lifted really well. It's obviously like patchy in some places, but we kind of knew that. So we're gonna put the color in because I'm tired and I want to go to bed. We had a long weekend.
I think we all can know at this point that
It's
I was
so
never
funny.
meant to be a blonde.
No, you are not.
Ooh. Ooh.
Hopefully it goes on good on this hair. I feel like it's light enough.
I'm trusting you.
Yeah.
That's how you know she's an amateur.
I'm being very lazy right now and just like glopping it on, so.
No, she's not. Everyone, she's taking this very seriously because it is my hair she's messing with,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
She's not. When it's her hair, she gives 110%. When it's my hair, she gets 10%.
Yeah, because we know we're gonna die over this soon.
How is that fair, though?
Because I'd love to see you do it.
I can't.
Yeah.
And you know that. What do you think, Esther?
You look really bad.
Ernie?
No, it's horrible.
Horrible? Is that what you said?
Yes.
What is it, 15 seconds of fame?
Yeah.
15 seconds of fame. What do you gotta say?
Hello.
Hello. Watermelon. One kid, Brett, was like, oh, I'll wait. Oh, wait, she's washing something in the sink. She doesn't like when I talk to her in the sink song because she can't hear me, so then she gets mad. She goes, I'm washing, I can't hear you. But one kid was like, don't forget the black seeds. I was like, Brett's not going to be able to do that. I was like, even if you tell me right now you can, I was like, there's no need for black
It's
seeds.
so much work.
This part's always like fun in concept. And then you realize it's changing your hair. It's like, oh, I got pink and green on my head.
Yeah. It's like, oh, pink and green.
Yeah, and then you realize it won't wash away. Because it takes away the hideousness of the blonde.
Yeah, but it's hideous of its own.
It's still hideous, yeah. They should have just picked yellow so we could have matched.
We would have clashed. You'd never be as cool as me.
What would... No, I already know that, though, Brett. You don't need to keep reminding me. Mm-hmm. What color, if you could have had a choice?
For you?
That you would have wanted them to pick? Just straight pink?
Yeah, pink is way more fun.
That's what I wanted them to do as well. I kept trying to be like, oh, don't do pink. Like, don't just
I
do
hate
it.
that color.
Don't do
It's
pink.
the
That's why they made me do it before, because I hated it so much.
Yeah, like just stuck on the split dye. Like, damn it.
Who recommended split dye, or did a kid just think of it?
Was me.
I think it might have been you too. I was trying to be nice to you just then, but I think you're the one who said it.
It's my own doing. I'm glad we kept like some of the brown though, because I feel like it's gonna really help. Like
those are the black seeds. Fairly Odd Parents is also what this is. I didn't realize. Cosmo and Wanda. All right.
I don't have a cap. I can put a grocery bag on your head though.
She's trying to suffocate me. Ooh, spa treatment.
You have a big ass head.
What you say?
You have a big head.
Yeah, I got a bigger brain.
Yeah, that's it.
No, Brett's actually smarter than I am, but I have my pros as well. Gotta set a timer. See you in an hour. Been an hour. Brett's about to wash my hair again. We're going in the sink, but there's a monster in there right now.
I washed my hair, took a shower, so now I'm clean and in a better mood.
And she's happier. She was mad for a second after the shower, though.
I know I was.
Oh.
There she is.
I heard her slam a door or something.
Of course I did.
Or through something. I don't know what it was.
No, I slammed a cabinet. Because I ran
And I went, "Oop."
Because I ran into it. Alright.
Because she always leaves them open.
Your head.
We're going in. She's trying to restrain me. Help! She's pushing my throat against the... How's it looking, Brett?
Good.
I'm looking at you right now, I think.
Yeah, it's just me.
Getting some action shot. Ooh, what is she doing? Oh my god.
Massaging conditioner into your hair.
That's crazy. Pretty terrible.
That it is. That it is.
Pretty terrible. Ooh. That one hurt. Sorry. But thanks for brushing my hair, Brett.
I know you enjoy it.
You're a real doll sometimes.
Yeah, it's... it's not very
Some of your worst work?
Probably.
Alright, so I'm currently in the car, about to pick up my parents from the airport. Brett and I have finished the hair. So now it's time for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. Boom. Hey, how's it going? Yes, and the mustache is returned as well. You know, I think it very clearly is green and pink, which is all and more than the kids could have possibly asked for. So I give Brett a 9.99 for this effort of the hair job. I think she did great. I think the mustache is adding to it. I think I'm looking like a real peachy keen little cutie. But yeah, I think it looks kind of cool. I think cool in the sense of like, it's terrible. It truly is terrible. Like this is, no, I wouldn't wish split down the middle hair on anyone unless that's what they wanted. All right, there's the update. I will see you next when my parents are getting in the car. Bye. Oh God. I'm kind of in the shadows right now, so it might be hard for them to initially tell if I have pink hair. They're on my green side anyways, so the pink might be a double whammy surprise. They're gonna say, oh, our son's an idiot, and then they'll get in the car and say, you're an idiot, and then they'll see my hair and they go, oh my God, you're an idiot. Something like that. That's usually how it goes. There they are. They're my parents. They're home. They're home. They're home.
Oh my God, your hair. Your hair.
They're home.
What happened to your hair? Oh,
It's split down the middle. It's pink on the other side.
what have you done? What have you done to yourself?
We're doing good. It's for the children, Mother. It's for the children.
Damn children.
Long too. It's almost as long as mine.
My hair is longer than yours.
No,
Mom.
It's not longer than mine.
He tried to get a haircut while I was there, but it didn't work.
Mom, my hair's longer than Dad's.
Yours is longer. His is pretty long.